Today we will learn and study class 3rd social studies chapter Chennai. Chennai is one of the most important metro city of India. Now let's begin the chapter. Location and climate of Chennai. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu and it is located in the southern part of India. It was formerly known as Madras. Chennai can be divided into two parts: Old City, the area of Georgetown, and New City, the area near the Georgetown. When we talk about the climate of Chennai, so the city experiences hot and humid climate throughout the year. The city receives rainfall in winter season. Now let's learn about the culture and tradition. Chennai is well known for its Carnatic music and the classical dance form Bharatnatyam. The people of Chennai mostly speak Tamil and English languages. Festivals are celebrated in Chennai also, but among the lots of festivals, the most important one are Pongal and Christmas. Pongal is the harvest festival that is celebrated over a period of 4 days, and it is celebrated by cooking newly harvested rice in earthen pots, which is then offered in puja. Now let's learn about the famous dishes. Dosa, idli, vada, upma and utpam. These are the some famous dishes of Chennai. Filtered coffee is also a popular beverage in Chennai. Now the sports. As you know, everyone plays sports. So these are the some famous sports. Those are played in Chennai: cricket, hockey, lawn tennis and tennis. Now let's learn about the transport system in Chennai. Chennai is the home of Asia's largest bus terminus and it named Chennai Mofussil Bus Terminus. Other transport means are auto rickshaws and taxis. Chennai Central is the main railway station of Chennai city and the Chennai International Airport is the main airport that caters to both domestic and international flights in Chennai. When we talk about the seaport, so Chennai has two ports, the Chennai port and the Ennore port, and these both two ports are mainly used for trade purposes. Now the places of tourist attraction. Tourists from all over the country and world visit Chennai to see its numerous and beautiful tourist sites. Some of the major tourist attraction which you can see in these pictures are the Kapaleshwara temple in the first picture. In second picture you can see the central station of Chennai, that is Chennai Central Railway Station, and Marina Beach, the Parthasarathi temple, and other tourist places are the Basilica Church, Lord Krishna's temple, Goindi National Park and Chennai Snake Park. In this park, lots of species and varieties of reptiles are protected. So these are the tourist attraction. Now the industries of Chennai. Chennai has several factories and industries, but the most important industry of Chennai are the textile industry, leather goods, military tanks industry, railway coaches, cycle, automobile and tractor industry. The government offices. As you know, every state is run by the government officers and offices. So, in Chennai city, the offices of the governor, chief minister, and other ministers of state government of Tamil Nadu are located in Chennai, and most of the officers also live in Chennai. So, this is all about Chennai, one of the important metro cities.